Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of the animation that we were going to do. Now if you are following me, so let's just get started. And we got our cell phone here. Okay, I'm just gonna position this a bit straight right now. Okay, now this way. In the first part that we did, I created the light, I created the background, I created the phone and the screen. Now I need this screen, right, to animate this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, Control C, Control V. So we got our layer screen 2. I'm going to select this, I'm going to select cell phone, wait, screen and cell phone. Control P on your keyboard, object. So we got a screen in our cell phone. Remember, when you copied, your screen was outside your cell phone. It was not inside, it was outside. You make sure that your screen is inside your cell phone group. I'm just gonna bring this up, make this smaller bit. Okay, and rotate this. Geometry. Right, now let's just rotate this. Okay, bring this up. Now it totally depends on you that how many screens you want in your animation. I'm just going to use 4 screens that I showed you. Okay, let's make this big. On your keyboard and you'll get the aerial view. Bring this here. Okay. Okay, we got our first screen. Okay, now make this copy. Okay, just make this copy, bring this here. Yeah, make this a bit smaller. Okay, okay. Now upwards, Control C, Control V. Bring this up, make this small, and we got our screen. Right now, let me see how many minutes that I had. 5. So we need to make one more. Control C, Control V. Just make this. Right. Okay, well. I'm gonna change the material in the shading panel. Go on this. Delete and create a new one for this, because I need a new material for this. And just for that, I've got my UV here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up my second picture. Just drag it and just place this here. Okay, got your exactly in the place. If you go on UV, go here, you go select this. It's perfectly, because the first screen that you had made, you set the UV. Okay, by the way, this is high resolution that I had downloaded. You can use whatever you want to. You can use the UV images or anything, right? Okay, now I'm gonna just quickly do that. Bring this. Okay, got our image here. Okay, I'm gonna select back, shading, create new one, bring this here. These are called nodes. Nodes are basically, you create a texture, you make a texture. The detailing, the depth of the texture, the colors, whatever you want to make, you use this in the 3D software. This called nodes. I'm gonna create a new material in this and bring this here, right? I'm gonna place this here. Okay, we've got our 4 screens. Okay. Now what are you going to do? Let's set some lights properly, because we just set that randomly. Now it's too much dark. I need this a bit cinematic, or we can use this. We are talking about that grayish. You can see the light that you can, yeah. This wire mode is render mode. Okay, we need to leave this on. Okay. Now for the animation part, what you're going to do is we're gonna bring this. Okay, first we want to set the animation. Okay, and let's just go into a reverse mode right now. Okay, so our total animation will be in, okay, let's see, 40 frames, 30 frames per second. Go to animation, render settings, and first select your folder, whatever folder you want to save your file. Okay, I'm gonna go in this and I'm gonna create a new folder, call it rendered, right? Accept. Okay, now doing this, where is it? I just these are the modifiers that we had applied. Okay, this is forget it right now. This is 30 frames per second. I'm going to go on 24 for this 24 frames per second animation, and I'm going to go on 40 frames per second. 40 frames animation we will be creating. Okay, and so lights are too much. This will be animated. I know that thing, it should be, just to make it a glance. This will be bright. Now let's see how this looks in the render mode. But when you press 0 on your keyboard, you'll get your camera mode. Okay, now I need to move the camera here. Okay, let's see how it will look in the render if the image is rendered. Okay, you got your this, so it's not looking good. Very good. I'm going to bring this back and let's just first animate the screens, right? Then we'll just go to the fun part. You got your screen. Okay, so these all are back, shift and control P an object, right? You got your screen here. So I'm just gonna rename them. Click enter. Okay, they are already, but I don't need to. Screen 1, just put this down in the phone. Okay, you don't need them right now. Bring this down. Okay, this as well, and got your screen in a cell phone right now. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is just we're gonna animate this phone. Okay, let's just get transforms settings. Sometimes I just don't find it. Okay, I got this. Now what I'm thinking is we're gonna pan the camera a bit, zoom in. Okay, and put a keyframe here on the camera. It's a keyframe. Okay, and I'm going to come here, Okay. Okay, first let's set the animation 50 frames. Okay, enter.